Hello guys, welcome back to a new week, and gold is going down, folks. It's going down more than $80 already in 2 days, all right? Last Friday, Monday, and today. Yesterday was public holiday here in Australia, so therefore we didn't have any videos or any blog, but we are back on this day, all right? Today, Tuesday. And before we start anything, stay with me until the end, that I will be giving you the answers of why is gold going so much high, so much low and so quick. All right, we saw the whole move happening basically in 2 days pretty much, all right, because from today and yesterday nothing much happened. So Friday and Monday was on fire. Now subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video, and don't forget that tonight we will be having my webinar where I will be discussing plenty of opportunities on the market. I will be giving out my opinions on what do I think would be great for this week for us to have, and of course reading the economic calendars and answering your questions on the one-to-one, of course everyone on the same call, but you can answer me, you can ask me your questions, and I will be directly answering your question right after I read it. All right, so this is a big opportunity for you as it's starting on the market, or even if you have a little bit already of knowledge, come with us and enjoy this moment. The easiest way to register is just a description of the video. Go to the link and the webinar link, and you will be able to register yourself. Now, gold is going down, as I just said, and it's not stopping anytime soon. All right, this is my take for now, because when we look to gold a few months ago, let's say 2 months ago, it was booming, all right, it was pumping. Every day was a new high. Every day was hitting all-time high, all-time high, all-time high. Sorry, every day was hitting week high, until it gets the all-time high. And since then, we just had a big, massive pullback, and then up again, that it tried to go up again and break the all-time high, and then it couldn't. All right, it tried to go to 2,400 to try to break the all-time high, but NFP came in and destroyed gold, going to the downside. You know, the bear market is definitely there. We can see that the market is on a bear trend. But the thing here is, what did occasionate gold to go that low, all right, in this very short period of time? First of all, is we need to understand why gold was rallying up. The main focal point and focal reasons were only two. First one was geopolitical tensions, all right, between Iran, Israel, USA, China, the Red Sea, all of those things, Hamas and Israel. This 100% made, it's 100% had an reflect into gold that made the prices go up, where, you know, those types of geopolitical tensions, those type of sort of wars or anything related to civil problems happening around the globe makes investors believe that it's not good for the currency or for any countries involved. Therefore, they move their assets, that means the money, into safe havens, that is gold. Therefore, the demand goes high and the prices go high as well, right? This is a very simple supply and demand effect into the gold prices. We can't forget that gold is a commodity, so therefore it is a very, you know, there is a time, this is not infinite, this is finite, so this will be ending somewhere in a point of time, all right? Gold, you can, you know, they have those diamond labs and anything that they can actually produce them on the lab, but it's completely different from what the actual natural gold is. I have some insider information here from one of my friends that he lives in Canada, and he's a very big gold buyer, but he buys in bulk and he buys as physical gold. And he just called me this morning and he was like, look mate, I was trying to buy gold this morning and no one had it. He went to 5 different places, all right, around Canada, and he couldn't find one place to sell him 1 ounce of gold. This is dangerous, guys. This is dangerous. But now, let's dive deeper, even more deeper, and understand why gold is falling. Now, you know why everything went up, and now you need to know that the central banks stopped to buy gold as they were previously. All right, China was one of the biggest before the undisclosed, of course. So they were the second biggest because there's someone saying someone undisclosed by undisclosedly gold, some central bank, we don't know who it is, but most probably is the Fed, all right, because it's the only one that is not on the list of buying gold. But China was the second biggest, or first biggest if you would prefer to call it, buying gold consecutively 17 or 19 months consecutively, all right? So it was month after month they were buying gold and buying. And they stopped. So there is two options. Or either they are holding to this gold at this moment and they believe into a much higher price of gold in 10 years, 5 years, 1 year, 2 years, we don't know. Or they sold it, the positions, all right? So they were buying into the futures market and then they sold it right at the top, and therefore the market is dumping. So I will leave you with these two reasons, all right? First reason is because, of course, there's no more geopolitical tensions as it was before, because investors were expecting the Third World War, and that didn't happen, and it wouldn't happen, you know, in my opinion. I think it's, we are too civilized, we're too already, how can I say that? We are already much more ahead of times where we were before. Anything you say, you know, let's shoot them or let's send bombs to their country. No, it doesn't work in this way anymore. You know, unfortunately some of them do, but it's completely geopolitical extended wise, it's not working like this anymore before anymore. So gold have dropped all the way from 2,388 all the way down to 2,300 at this time. So there is an $88 move in 2 days. So that's very, very big. Now, I will leave you with those two options of gold, all right? First one, the geopolitical tensions have ended and then now the prices are de-escalating. And second is because of China have stopped. But primarily is the big move happening because of NFP, all right? So this is the big take, this is the big answer. Gold is falling because the US economy is reheating, if I can say that, reheating, all right? And we had a 272,000 new jobs addition in May, and the expected was 184,000, all right? So this is a very, very huge uptake for the US dollar, head down, head up, making gold head down. All right, guys, so this is all from me today. You already know I do continue to believe on a pullback. This is a pullback, a transitionary move for gold, and gold will continue to go up, but we don't know when, we don't know how, and any catalyst event that can possibly impulsionate gold to the up move. Guys, hope everyone have liked the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video, and share this content with your friend. And if you have any questions, please put down in the comments, and I see you tonight, or I see you in the next video. See you. Ciao, ciao.